Hello everyone, my name is Carly. I am Harbor WildWatch's communications specialist. I'm here today at the very empty and quiet Skansie Visitor and Interpretive Center because although we may be closed, we still have creatures here who get quite hungry without being regularly fed. So I'm here in office today to do a feeding for our fish, crabs, sea stars, and other critters in the touch tanks right behind me. If you haven't been into the visitor center, we have two touch tanks. One is definitely more of a look tank with fish and different types of algae from the Pacific Northwest in it. The other, right behind me again, is a full touch tank with sea stars, different crabs, barnacles, etc. in it for you to explore when you visit. We hope to be back open after the COVID-19 outbreak is through, but in the meantime, I thought I'd have you join me this afternoon for a little feeding. So let's get started. Come on. This is what is for lunch today. The sea stars get mussels, which we pull locally from the beach and dock outside. There's only a few in here. And the fish and crabs and other critters get a lovely mixture of shrimp. These are brine shrimp. They're frozen and thawed out in water, and then we use a pipette to put them in the tank. The fish that we have in our tank currently are surf perch, and below them you can see a very large kelp crab who is eagerly waiting for lunchtime to begin. So without further ado, we are gonna feed them. I usually just take a bit of the pipette, fill it up, and stick it in the water. And you'll see they get very, very excited. There you guys go. Oh yeah. Now, in addition to feeding the fish, who you can see are quite happily eating in the background, we need to feed our sea stars as well. We have several sea stars in here who are going to be quite happy to have some food come their way. You can see this one has polished off a mussel that was in our tank already. So I'm going to drop in a few fresh mussels for the sea stars to enjoy. Alright everyone, that is it for me here. Our friends have been fed. I have rinsed out our pipette and beaker. In the meantime, thanks for tuning in. To learn more about Harbor WildWatch, please visit our website or Facebook page, harborwildwatch.org or Facebook/Harbor WildWatch.